Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Hey there, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Hey there, crypto friends, how we doing? We're live, and we are looking here at BTC USD. Excuse me, up 3.61%. And let's get you your support and your resistance. We've been going sideways here for some time now, so kind of get used to it, I guess, as we continue consolidation, but at least the alts have started to come alive. So here we go. We have resistance up there at the 37,548.87. Support line is down there at 36,353.81 for BTC USD. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is up now 11% for the day. So we got new resistance level up there. Trying to break above it as we speak. So looking up there, 2660.96 and support down around the 2567.92. Still trying to get up to that 100-day moving average. See if we can't get the bulls to take it through there. We will bring the stop loss up here, just beneath those two moving averages. Let's move on to BNB USD Binance Coin. Quite a bit of resistance there. Been there for some time. So 352.02 is that resistance level for BNB, and then you're looking there at the 338.97. Moving on to Cardano, up 7.8%. A little bit stronger here. Did get up there, test that 100-day moving average, so resistance at the 1.708. And looking for support to hold there at the 1.634 for Cardano. Looking on to PolkaDot, up 11%. So got up there to, going to look up to the 23.330 and resistance support, I should say, 21.351. Moving up to Doge. Doge got a little bit back. So we're looking up at resistance at the 0.3249 support level. Going to be at the 0.3088. Moving on to Litecoin, LTC USD. Consolidation station for Litecoin. So we got resistance up at the 185.47 and support at 179.95. And we'll get that stop loss just underneath that moving average, the 26-day, I should say. Let's move on to LINK USD, Chainlink. Chainlink up 15.27%. We have resistance up there at the 31.70 and trying to hang on to that support on that previous low at the 30.83. So very tight range here for Chainlink. Moving on to XLM, Stellar. Resistance up at the 0.410673 and support right off that 12-day moving average, 0.3872. On to Vechain, up 14.45%. Didn't quite get up to that 100-day moving average to test that out. But we do have resistance to, let's switch, oh, there it is. We're testing that as we speak. So resistance 0.1237. Support at the 0.1141. We did get the 12 cross over the 26 day. So things are looking favorable here for Vechain. Moving on to FIL USD. Pretty quiet on the Vechain land, so we're looking at resistance up at the 72.068 and support, very tight range, 69.68. Moving on to Storj, STORJ USD. Resistance up there to 1.14 and support right in between those two moving averages, the 12 and the 26 at the 1.05. Moving on to IOTA, Internet of Things. As you can see, we've been bouncing around this range for some time here. So for several days, been kind of quiet in Internet of Things land. So we're looking at resistance 1.124, support 1.066. Have a look here at comp COMP USD. $350. Where are we at here? Sorry about that. 412.75 is your support level, and resistance 439.38. Let's see if we can't grab that stop loss, get it underneath those averages. Let's move on to basic attention coin, up 7.34%. So resistance up to 0.7605. Support right there on that 50 fib at the 0.7329. Moving on to Ethereum Classic ETC USD. Almost got a triple top going, so we're looking at resistance 69.034, support at the 66.70. Moving on to MANA, M-A-N-A-D, M-A-N-A-USDC, I should say. We're looking at support up at the, right there in between those moving averages, the 0.803 and resistance 0.847. Heading on over to ZIL, Z-I-L USD. Resistance to 0.1154 and your support level right on that 26-day moving average at the 0.1093. Heading over to NU USD. Resistance at the 0.308 and support. Quite a bunch of it right there. 0.2943. Moving on to NMR USD. One of the few names in the altcoins on their watch list that is down today. So looking up there, resistance at the 54.93 and support at the 51.63. Moving on to the graph token, GRT USD. Up 7.47%. And we have support there at the 0.780 and resistance up at the 0.853. Heading on over to Uniswap, UNI, USD. 27.924 is your resistance level to watch out for and support level at the 26.61. Moving on to AAVE, USD. Up 15.91%, so having a nice run up here for AAVE. Looking at resistance up there at the 386.71 and support level down at the 358.24. Heading on over to MKR USD. And 3621.54 is your resistance level, and looking to hold the 3459.99 support for MKR. Looking over to MATIC, it's actually slightly down today. So got up to the resistance to 1.897, and in your support level, going to be right on top of this 12-day moving average at the 1.822. Moving on to SOL USD. Found resistance up at the 32.822 and support at the 31.206. Heading on into audio. Lost a little bit of ground here at the 1.084 is your new resistance level and 1.01. So roughly that $1 psychological is your support. Heading on over to CHZ USD, up 3.5%. So we got up to this 26-day, found that resistance. So 0.282 resistance level, Support at the 0.2721. Heading on over to Theta, THETA USD. Resistance up at the $7 round psychological number. And support right down there. We can get that one there. Previous low at the 6.82. Let's see if we can sort that stop loss out just beneath that 12-day moving average. Heading over to ENJB USD, up 5.68%. Looking a little toppy up here. So we're up at the 1.6614 for resistance, and we are above, I should mention, the 100-day moving average. We did get the 12 cross above the 100, and looks like we're going to get the 12 cross above the 26, so that's good for upside potential. Excuse me. So looking at support to hold up at the 1.555. Wrapping up here with ONE USD, Harmony 1. Resistance at the 0.1042. And hanging on that support level at the 0.0981. And let's have a look at Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D, as compared to the total crypto market cap. As we can see, we've shed some weight here in the BTC land. We're down to 42.96%. Managed to send that over to Ethereum land, so we are up about 4.5%, roughly 5%. So Ethereum's up 19.14%. And looking back at the Doge dominance, because we can, at 2.62, so up 1%, and total crypto market cap hanging around that 1,612,000,000,000 range. And folks, that does it for me, and I will see you in the morning at the Crypto Morning Show. Be sure to like, subscribe, do great things. Have a good one.